Welcome to my complete tutorial for the to-do list spreadsheet for Google Sheets. To get started, I recommend reading the README instructions and familiarizing yourself with the spreadsheet. Once you're ready, everything begins in the to-do list tab. This is where you'll enter all of your tasks. For each task, enter the task name. Select a category from the drop-down list, then choose the priority and status. You can use these to keep everything organized and make it easier to focus on what matters most. You can also assign a date, start time, and end time if it's something you've scheduled. This allows the spreadsheet to update your planner views correctly. If you're time blocking your day, this is where that becomes really useful. The days left column updates automatically, turns red when a task is overdue, and disappears once the task is marked as complete or checked off. If needed, you can assign a person to the task. Check the box if you would like the task to appear in the annual calendar. I recommend only using this for important tasks or dates you want to keep visible throughout the year. If you want to edit any of these drop-down lists, select a cell in the column and click the pencil icon at the bottom of the list. You can also go to Data, then select Data Validation, and choose the column you want to update. In the menu on the right side of your screen, you can add, remove, or edit the options in the list. Once you're done, click Done. If you see a prompt to apply changes to all, select Apply to All. Once a task is complete, check the box on the left side. This will update the charts at the top of the spreadsheet and allow you to track your progress more easily. To quickly organize your tasks, use the filter buttons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon in the column you want to sort or filter. For example, you can use this feature to sort your tasks in alphabetical order. Once you click Done, a warning message may appear letting you know that changes are being made to the spreadsheet. Simply click OK. You can also use filters to temporarily hide items from your list. For example, by deselecting True in the checkbox column, only completed tasks will remain visible. The same can be done with priority by deselecting any priority levels you do not want to display. The daily view shows you a clear breakdown of your tasks for a specific week. Select the year, month, and the time at which the day starts. Select the week that you wish to view using the mini calendar as a reference. The week will be highlighted. Tasks with times will appear in order and color blocked, so you can easily follow your schedule. If there is a conflict in your schedule, it will automatically be highlighted in red. Simply go back to the To-Do List tab to make any corrections, and the calendar views will update accordingly. Use the monthly view to see your tasks in a calendar format. Select your month, update the year if needed, and choose whether your week starts on Monday or Sunday. Tasks are automatically arranged by date and time so you can plan ahead with ease. You can check the boxes to mark tasks as complete, but remember to uncheck them when changing months. The fastest way to do this is to press Ctrl-A to select everything, then press the spacebar twice to clear the checkboxes. Any task you check to include in the annual calendar will appear in the annual view. This helps you plan ahead and keep track of important dates throughout the year. That's everything for the to-do list spreadsheet for Google Sheets. Once everything is set up, it becomes a really simple way to stay organized, plan your schedule, and keep track of your tasks all in one place. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy using the spreadsheet.